Hey guys, I'm Lydia and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is something very exciting. I ordered the Marc mini tote bag and it has arrived, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impression video. I ordered this during a huge snowstorm, which probably wasn't the smartest idea, so it came during the storm. This is literally how it came. It's like all melted from the snow. The bag is like wrapped in plastic. I did check to make sure it was okay, but I haven't looked at it yet. So this is gonna be a first impression on it. So there's no cute packaging. So excited to unbox this. I'm gonna be doing my first impression and whether or not I think it's worth it. Just kind of review the quality of it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so it came wrapped and it feels like really sturdy. So this bag costs 230 Canadian dollars. Converted to American, I'm not sure. Thank God for this plastic wrap because I don't know how this bag would have held up. Oh my God. So I know they do make the leather version of this. I debated for a long time whether to get the canvas one like this or the leather one. But I find I have a lot of other leather bags already, and this is something totally different. I haven't found any other ones that have caught my eye the way this one has with the bold statement on it. Okay, so my first impression on the texture. So this is canvas, obviously, and it feels really firm. Like it feels like it will hold its shape really well. Over time, like the handles are not, they're not bending. Like they're not gonna move out of shape, out of place. Now for the price point, I paid 230 Canadian for this, which is like 180 American, I wanna say. Which is a very good price point for a bag like this, I find, because it's so versatile. So it did come kind of bent. The thing I noticed about this bag is the thing I was worried about when I got it, and the fact that it's black canvas. I was worried that it would pick up like lint and stuff like that, and I set it on my bed, and already up close you can see it has a bunch of little fuzz. One thing to keep in mind if you're purchasing this, maybe black isn't the most practical color for you, especially if you have cats or dogs or something like that. That's one thing to keep in mind. Or if you're wearing a fuzzy sweater, definitely don't wear this with a fuzzy sweater. I know I said earlier it would hold its shape, but it honestly did come kind of bent and creased. Something I can probably fix once I stretch it out. Yeah, you can easily bend it back, but it still does have that weird shape. Another great thing about this bag is the fact it's so versatile. This bag is super trendy right now, so that's awesome, but if you want to go for a more casual look, you can always flip it around. You can wear it as like a little mini bag. I did get the mini one just because I wanted to be able to wear it as a mini handheld bag like this, but it also does come with a long adjustable strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody too with the strap. So it's a lot more practical for everyday errands and just running around. You can just throw on the strap, it's adjustable, so it's very versatile but still trendy at the same time. So this is a bag you'll definitely be able to get a lot of use out of. There's also a lot of space inside. You could definitely fit a mini laptop, notebooks, water bottle, tons of space for even a big wallet. If you have a bigger wallet than just a card holder, this will definitely fit it. Obviously, like you can see the size comparison. Even though it's a mini, it's still pretty decent in size. This bag definitely seems like it's worth the money, where it is a designer luxury type of bag, definitely on the lower point, but I honestly feel like it'll be worth it. This is a bag I'll definitely be able to get a lot of use out of. And it's just so cute. Like this is such a cute bag. I'm so glad I got this. I've been wanting it for so long. I'm gonna take the strap out of the wrapping just so you can see the quality of this. The strap is the main reason why I wanted this, because I really wanted a handbag, like a little mini handheld bag, but I also hate having to just carry it around as a handbag, especially when I'm running errands like grocery shopping and stuff like that. It's really annoying to have it on your arm or in your hand at all times. So these types of bags, these style bags, are definitely more practical for everyday use, which I think is really awesome, especially if you're paying a little more money for one. Okay, so with the strap, yeah, this makes it so much cuter. Strap is pretty thick and it's very easily adjustable. Like, you can see how easy that was. Sometimes you have to like pull on it a little bit. This like moved no problem. It's a crossbody, which is how I feel like I'm gonna end up wearing it a lot. Just kind of like this. Body, you can keep it in your front, easy to get into, tons of space in here. Or just have a little handheld, super cute. I want you to really see up close. Now, if I'm being honest, I don't know how durable this is gonna be, and I don't know how it'll fare in the weather, in the rain. I feel like this is a type of material that would hold moisture. It wouldn't be great in cold, rainy weather. I could be wrong, but we'll see. And I will do an updated review on this later, and maybe even a bag collection. If you guys want to see, I might do a bag collection and include this and give a more updated review on it. But yeah, for now, I would say definitely worth the money. Super trendy, super versatile, great space. Overall, I would say my first impression is very good, and I'm so glad I got it. We'll see how it holds up in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful if you're debating on whether to buy it or not. It's off of my first impressions of it. And like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I post every Saturday below what color you would get in this bag and whether you're thinking about getting it or not. So much for watching.